like, I mean, it's all about the recovery.
I'm not going to do this with you tonight.
Why? What's wrong? I feel.
Man, this is what you get when you fuck people over. Sorry.
Isn't that what you just said to me? I'm not going to do this with you tonight.
No,
I'm sorry I had to go to work today.
Her family has to eat. Didn't you hear?
I listen, I respect her. You are.
Misty works hard, man.
You do. Listen, you are one of the hardest working people I've ever known.
Yep.
Dude, and like you wear that.
Don't try to be nice to me now. Don't try to be nice to me now. After you came in,
it was rude.
Like, if you had a shirt on like this, you'd feel so much better.
I'm going to punch Rita in the nose right now.
I'll be right back.
Ooh, see, that's when I want to punch her. Right there. The whole be here then, ain't here.
Yes. I want to punch you in the nose right now, Rita.
Then she has to get up and go do something in the treehouse.
Yeah, Leroy's got to pee.
Mm-hmm. Leroy has the smallest bladder of any dog I know.
We can match. I was trying to match you.
You what?
I match you. I was going to wear my shirt.
Well,
I'm just going to wear a shirt.
I don't even have one.
You're kidding.
The one I bought, I gave to Rita. And then the other one I bought, I gave to you.
Oh my God. It's luxurious. Like, what kind of t-shirt is this? We got to figure it out. Because this is what we're going to do. Can you see it?
No. No.
This is definitely not the shirt.
Look at the tag and see what kind it is. This has got to be our merch. This.
Oh, yeah. Like, it's all about the coffee.
I don't know how much they are. Yes.
Hey, that. I'm going to cut that out.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay,
Let's get the party started.
I am your host, Misty Period, and I'm here with my amazing co-host, Miss Anonymous.
Yes, and I'm here with our amazing
and Rita. Boom, boom, boom,
boom, boom.
Listen, this was going to be a little informal. Like, I mean, by the way, you guys look beautiful tonight. I mean, you
top kiss in my butt.
We did have this conversation about all of your ugly.
What'd you say, Miss Anonymous? I'm sorry.
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
Huh?
I said we already had this conversation about your ugly. Hey, I may not even be talking about the ones you're thinking of.
It just caught me off guard. What? Listen, as you can tell, we're wild and out during the off season. I mean, you preparing for.
As you can tell, everybody here is in a bad mood.
Not me. I'm in a fabulous mood.
Rita's great. Rita's great. We're working on her timeline.
Why shouldn't she be great? She has no freaking. It has to be anywhere, ever.
Listen. I'm taking a 6-hour flight tomorrow. Okay. Because right.
Why?
Recovery is amazing. Recovery is amazing. Because of recovery, I get to fly out to California to see my sponsor, in California.
You don't get to have a regional sponsor, idiot.
That made me feel so much better. Do it again.
I might get arrested.
You get an East Coast sponsor and
for the record.
Yeah.
Terrible fucking idea what you're doing.
Oh, wait. No. I got my Uber driver lined up. He's the guy I used last year, okay? And he's going to take me around LA. I got to stop at a couple spots. If I get arrested, make sure your phones are on tomorrow, okay?
What? Why?
Remember, I have PTSD
after tonight, you are getting no money on your books.
None.
You're giving blowies for cigarettes.
I'll send you some Cheetos.
Really?
You're getting ramen.
You can make a pizza out of Cheetos.
You can do a lot of things with ramen.
It up. You put ketchup on it. You'll learn. You'll get there.
No, 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 no.
I'm just saying, you're not knocking on
I'm doing this for the podcast, whatever it takes. Whatever it takes to get this out there.
whatever it takes. That's right.
Who's at ground zero? Who's
Brought
at
to you
ground zero?
by
Oh no, that's
the-
not what I was talking about. I was talking about the transportation.
Oh, what?
Well, she's taking an Uber driver.
No,
What, to
she's
get around
talking
LA?
about bringing weed from California.
Oh, shut
Yeah,
up!
I know she's
Jersey.
nervous.
Shut up!
I told you. She's
Shut up!
nervous.
Bitch,
I gotta
cut it
cut-
out.
I
You're
gotta
just
cut
gonna have to cut it.
I'm gonna cut this.
Cut it
Yeah,
out.
bad idea.
Listen, I'm not gonna bring anything back from
Yeah,
California.
have you not been to an
I'll bring a cart pack because I've checked and I can bring carts on the plane, and I've done it 1,000 times. I'm okay. Don't even with that. Right? Don't bring flour back.
Now, everybody
And Shannon T asked me to bring her back these raisins that she used to love.
Of course
Oh
she
my
did,
God.
because she wants you to go to jail.
she got bail money for you.
Raisins.
Your best.
I have a medical
friend-
card. If I had more time, I get the proper
It's
documentation.
not a federal medical card.
It is against federal law to bring any substances
You think?
on an airplane and transport them from one state to the next.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm not going to do it.
Put it in
You're
your-
lying.
You shouldn't because
Lying.
now, I mean, your two best.
You're all talking about it and jinxing me. I mean, you might as well just fucking call the prison ahead of time and
Well,
reserve
I
me
don't
a
know. How do you think you're going to get out of jail? We are poor.
You make a bad decision and then you say, why does this shit happen to me?
Yes.
Well, because you shove drugs up your ass and get on an airplane.
like people are after me.
Weed. Let's watch how we use the word drugs, okay? Weed, all right? I'm not taking fucking heroin or fucking fentanyl or fucking meth across the state lines, all right? I mean, little pot, all right? A little
I
pot.
wonder what they do. Tommy says it's like 10 years in jail.
Why are you talking to Tommy? Tommy's already on the phone with authorities.
We've had
Okay?
previous discussion. Here, let me ask Chad. Hold on a second. All right, here we go.
I'm obviously not bringing anything back now because if I don't get a cavity shirt while I'm there, I would be surprised. After this, I mean, they're listening, right? They're listening. And I've already told them so much.
Well, we'll see. Let's say, okay, Mr. Chat, what happens
Okay, how am I?
if you get caught with weed at the airport? All right, let's see. Oh, he's thinking. He's thinking.
I'm a work in progress, okay? One bite at a time.
That's a tired
Advice,
excuse.
All
That's
right.
a tired excuse.
Listen, PSA does not actively search for marijuana. If an agent spots something that looks like marijuana, they will confiscate it and contact local and federal law. What happens next? Most often the weed is seized. I mean, how do you think they lift that luggage?
You act like I'm taking pounds across the fuck.
And you're allowed to continue through. However, officers have discretions. They might offer to let you return it to your car, ask you to toss it in an amnesty box.
Jojo, you mailed this to me?
I wonder where that amnesty box winds up. Or call the cops. Legal consequences. This
And I'm
is
not
what
an
we're looking
asshole.
for.
I'm not gonna be like, fuck you guys, fuck the police. I'm gonna be like, I'm so sorry, officer. I didn't even know that.
You can get up to 2 years in jail.
What? Yeah, if you're an asshole.
Why don't you just try it
why
out?
do they have dogs? You know where they have dog samosas in Las Vegas?
They're not sniffing for that shit anymore. They're sniffing for fucking like meth and heroin and things worth fucking prosecuting.
Really?
I work in the industry.
Let me tell you, if it was me, that'd be the first thing they're looking for.
What, weed?
Yes.
How many people probably bring weed onto a plane?
I don't have any luck anymore. I used it all.
I'm not saying I have any luck. I'm not even
You
saying
only get
you already have sentenced me and thrown out the fucking key.
You only get so much luck each lifetime.
No. We didn't send
Mine's
you to throw
gone.
out the key. You know why? You did.
What have I done? What have I done thus far? What have I done? Except to think about it and open my stupid mouth to you two.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking fucking mouth.
I don't ever.
That's something else I need to work on this year. Keeping my motherfucking mouth.
I don't ever want you to hear you say,
Listen, I think
Misty, period, what would you do? You're the voice of reason. You know why?
Yeah.
Because when it counts, you don't fucking listen.
You know, that is why we brought her in. Do you remember?
This was uninvited.
We were doing stupid things and we were like, you know.
This is uninvited bad juju.
Did she say she invited bad juju?
Who did?
You did. You did.
Me?
Both of you. All I said was one little simple sentence like, hey, wouldn't that be funny if like a little nug?
No, that's not what you said. That's not what you said. You were like, I'm going to bring back a fuck ton of pot. Yep, pretty sure that's what you said.
Can you throw it out if you fly over Texas? Open the door real fast.
Like some bulldog in there.
Shut the door real fast.
Wait, what was it? Am I shutting the door on? Anyway, hold on.
Have you ever thrown anything out an airport window? I mean, an airplane window? I have.
Wait.
No way. It'll suck your ass right out.
They don't open. I've flown 1,000 times.
In a private plane, they do, idiot.
Oh, I'm poor like Misty in this category.
No, I had to throw my granddad's ashes out. Man, I've never seen her in such a bad mood.
Why was she in such a bad mood?
She was like, she's tired. She's tired.
Oh, you know, I can't use that.
Yes, we can. Right. Misty has left the building.
Should I text it?
That's going to be the name of it. Misty has left the building. Oh, Misty's back. Oh man, we already had a name for the podcast and everything. Misty has left the building. Oh look, she's muted herself. How funny is that? We can't
hear you. Can't hear you at all.
Oh my God, this is great.
Rita was shitting her pants, wasn't she?
Oh yes. I can't use it now. I can't use it.
We can't even hear you. Yeah, keep talking. Keep talking.
Look, she's going to have to back.
And what an IT guy we have.
Oh. Now she's mad.
Oh, good.
I told you all of us were in a bad mood. And look, she turned out the light.
Oh, even better.
I guess the name of it now is Rita or Boom has left the building. You've got to back out. I don't know why it's doing that today.
Okay, yeah, no, she's the genius.
It's a microphone. I know.
I'll kill you.
I knew it.
I will kill you, and no one will ever know.
She will stop your heart with her bare hands.
Okay, I'm glad you can hear me.
Okay. You will stop your heart.
And no one will find your body.
Nobody.
There's no doubt. I know.
Nobody.
I know.
If you think Jimmy Hoffa is missing.
You never heard of Rita Bianchi.
Right.
All it's going to take is sending me out to ground zero in some shady fucking part and where I might not be liked. And then something happen and it'll be like, oh my God, I was talking about fucking Texas today. Somebody and my old recovery group, he's from Texas. I was like, oh, my best friend's from Texas. I was like, lives up near Amarillo Canyon. He goes, yeah, that part, they just started taking the hoods off about 5 years ago.
They started taking what off?
The hoods off.
The hoods. KKK.
Oh my God, that's terrible and so not true. Hey, how many years can you get if they find weed on you at the airport?
What?
It's a federal offense.
Yeah.
How many?
5.
Tom.
In July, don't bring weed with you. I was like, well,
Tom, come a little closer. Come on a little closer, Tom. We need to have a conversation.
You think this is not right?
No, I think.
Do you think it's a good idea for someone to fly across the entire country with weed?
Right,
not in this day and age.
Listen to yourself.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Listen to yourself.
Why not just wait till you get there and
Right.
some then?
But and especially if the state that you're leaving from, that you're going to spend time in, weed is legal, and where you live, weed is legal too. So why would you carry it with you across
I
the
have
country?
no clue who's thinking about doing this.
Mystic.
No.
Her
I
differently.
mean, if y'all are coming here, we have weed here.
No. No, Misty's getting clever.
Rita's flying to California and thinks it's a brilliant idea
Now
to
we really
bring
think
weed back
this.
from California to New Jersey,
Oh,
where
that's
it's both
a really
legal.
bad idea.
I've done it twice before. That's the only reason why I felt secure
Thank
in
you,
doing it.
Tom.
But they
Thank you.
jinxed me.
That's 3 people now telling you do not
Well,
do
yeah,
it.
now that they're listening, and I'm going to be, like I said, I'll be surprised if I get on the plane without a cavity search after this doesn't take.
That's
I
why
hope they
you're
go
doing
up
it,
your
then.
ass this far,
That's why you're doing it. She wants a cavity search.
all the way to the elbow.
Oh, that's gotta hurt. All I know.
We really can't hear you very well.
Not at all.
We can hear you now when you're
How about
closer.
now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you sounded like a
Motherfucker.
chipmunk.
Did you see what happened? It came right out.
You know what that is? Karma.
Did you hear me?
It is in New Jersey, but not California where she's going.
No, it's legal in California.
Yeah, it's legal in Cal. Well, yeah, it's legal
Well,
in most
what's the
states.
problem then? Why are you not
Right?
bring it back?
Because
Exactly.
it's so cheap out there. You should.
Oh.
It's like ridiculously cheap out there.
Yeah, that's so sad.
Come on, it can't be that cheap. I've never paid for not one nickel.
But I bet your
Not
ancestors
even
have.
mine.
I bet your ancestors have.
I bet I have not.
For one nickel, I bet they have.
Not one nickel.
Well, that's rare protection.
Not one nickel, not one dime.
All right, so listen. We're
Yeah.
here tonight.
Okay.
Can we get off me? Can we stop talking about me? Can
me.
we stop talking about me?
I'm going to smoke a cigarette.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just,
What's the matter?
you know what?
She's gonna come through this and whip your ass. She's taking her earrings
You
off.
never do that because you know that I enjoy it too much. She's
have to be so
punishment.
She's cute when she's mad.
I'd fight back too, so she'd hit harder.
Yeah. What the hell? You never have a leg to stand on. Why do you think you can fight back?
So me, I would never put my hands on Misty unless she asked
No, I
me
didn't
to.
say that.
What?
I
What's
didn't
that?
say that. No. Oh my God, no. I'm not having to explain things to you.
And ship has sailed.
That ship has sailed. What are you gonna do,
Whatever it takes.
Misty?
Whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
Hey guys, Rita Boom here. Whether this is your first time listening or you keep coming back, I'm one of the awesome hosts and co-founders of Whatever It Takes nonprofit foundation and of course podcast. We started our show on YouTube, and even though we are now part of the podcast elite, we still recommend putting faces to the voices. So go to our YouTube channel and check it out. You can find us at Whatever It Takes Podcasts. So you go to YouTube, you go in the search bar, and you put at Whatever It Takes Podcasts. One more time, just because I talk really fast. Go to YouTube, go in the search bar, and put in Whatever It Takes Podcast. At Whatever It Takes Podcast. And well, since you're going to be stopping by anyway, don't stop by empty-handed. Show us you were there by sending us a like, a comment, sharing it to your friends, or, well, this should be a given, hitting the subscribe button. So that way you don't miss any episodes. Either way, we're just glad you're here. So thank you. And as always, boom, boom, boom. What's up, guys? It's Rita Boom here, just telling you, if you enjoyed this podcast, get on there and leave some comments, all right? Whether you liked it, you didn't like it, if it's good enough of a comment, we're going to read it online. Know why? Because it helps our algorithm. That way we don't have to charge anybody anything crazy like that. So, again, leave the comments, we'll read them online, and boom, boom, boom. Don't place a bet today, okay? All right.